video on header footer, different setting styles for all the event page or for the first page. So before we go to here, let's just open our Word. So if we go to the, I think it's the header footer. Let's see in the reference. Here arrange paragraph. Here is the style. If you want to add the header footer, is on the insert here. This is the header and the footer. So you can set is the top of the page for this page number. Let's see where is the change on these are the break. Different sections, you can insert section break and start a new section on the next even number page and the old page or the continuous page. So that's it we talked in the first part. Let's see here. So for the paper, so first paper, so default and other page. First page, other page. So those are the apply. So this page forward. So let's and this is the layout. You can see here is a header footer is a different odd even. So that is our the one of the property we are talking, and also different for first page or not. So these are the page setups, header and footer. And from here, you can see the header footer's size. So from the edge calculated, what we will set is on this area. So let's go to our code. So first is let's put this 7, 11, 7. And I have tried to refresh our code and put here. So if you come to 711, so those are our last the videos code. So you can read from here. So I hope you can fork this and get the information and try to test yourself. Or I also suggest is you can those type codings yourself, not just copy paste from mine. So let's do this header and footer. So you already know where in the page setup is set. So for within the Python docx section object has the header and footer object, and they have those the property from this underscore header underscore footer object. So let's try to test for this docx import document, and we make our document instance initial and doc save to this 7, 11, 7, 1 docx. So we create this one here. So perfect. Then section equal to doc sections 0, and then header. We can see it's a section dot header footer equal to section dot footer, and we will have this header. We come to this header, then we can use this header to add. So header is just also a part of your document, so you can use a paragraph this property. So paragraph 0, so that is a header's paragraph 0, add one run. This is header, and then we same to here footer paragraphs. Zero dot add run. So I see here is a typo, and this is footer. So now I should create our document with one header, one footer here. So this is header and this is footer. You can double click, then activate this, and then you can edit those. So that is the footer headers, and you can set the values to them. So that's very easy. And header and footer both they have the dimensions of the distance from the edge, as you saw in the dialog. So we can set those as well. So let's copy this to our tool to set the dimension. So what we can already have, so we need to load definitely this length class. So shared import, we use CM. Then we load our library and make doc and section header. This is this and this one. So we already done this. Then we print section header distance dot cm and print section footer distance dot cm. So let's create this 1.727. So we can directly set section footer distance. I set to some big is 5, and make the header also. And now let's print that again. So it's got 5 and I saved to 1 as well. So I saved to 2. So this one. So if you click the header, so you can see your header is quite large now. But you see here, your margin is didn't change. So if I make another the document here, if you put this the header and you want to make your headers, let's see. So from layout and from the here I go to the days, and if I put here 5 manually. So same. So you don't change margin. You just change where is your headers and the footers. So that's the same result. So let's close this and don't save. And by the way, let's run this one so that we restore this the -1 to the original value. And what we will do the header section. The purpose is we can set style to the different part of the document. So, for example, on section 1's header footer should be different to the section 2's header footer. So, for those you can see here, you just load your section. And you can set your sections header footers content, header footers different distance. So those are the things that it's easier. But just pay attention to is you need to use this is linked to previous. If you don't put that because it's default true, so the later the sections will follow the previous sections the style setting. So if you want to use that difference, you need to first set that to false. So let's do this in the 7th 3. So let me 3 and ensure here is also saved to 3. So what we will do is we need to load this section start paragraph alignment as well. Then we can set some different style. So from docx.enum section, import wd section start here, and also from docx enum dot text to load this wd paragraph alignment. So we have and also we have our distance, the length. So first we have our document, and we have this section. So let's delete this, and we add some paragraph. This is section 1, paragraph 1. So let's add. When I add another one, the section 2. So, and then we change the first section's the header. So let's see. So S1 section 1 equal to doc sections 1, and we put this section 1's header. Let's see the header paragraph. So let's delete those. So S1 dot header paragraphs. First one, add or run. This is section 1's header. So let's just have a look for our documents first. So we have 2 paragraphs. We have the header. So all of those are in section 1 for now. So let's move this out, and we change. Now we change the header or footer to align into the middle. So footer equal to S1 dot footer. If you want to change their property, you need to create our variable paragraph 0 dot text is equal. This is the footer in the middle, and then footer dot paragraphs 0 dot alignment property equal to wd alignment dot center. So let's have a look. So let me open. You can see here, this footer is in the middle, so that's perfect. Let's continue. So what we will do is I will create a second section. So S2 equal to doc add section. Use this method star type. We set this is the wd section start as our new page. So then set this false. So this is very important. This header is linked to previous equal to false. Then we can set our S2 header paragraphs paragraph 0 dot add run. This is section 2's header. So it's false, so that means it's not linked to the previously documents. So section. So let's say here. So we have a new page. So this is our new page header. It's not linked to here. that's correct. And last is let's make this one. So this is the header, and we create doc add also. Let's use this one. So this is the section 2. Section 2. Oh, this is section 1. And then we set it as tools footer, not same as the header. It's true. So if you don't set that, it's by default is true. So for section in doc sections section dot page height equal to cm7, and we save that. Is let's use this. Let me open over document. So you can see here. So footer is continue with the previous footer. Header is the header difference. So that is the way is we put our header and footer to change. So this is just easier for your screenshot. Is not related to this this chapter. Within this document, we have created 2 sections. So first section, yeah, you can see from here. The second section has different header, but both sections share the same footer because we set the footers is linked to previously as true. So that is the difference. So let's move on to the next part is the difference between the odd and the even page. So let's create 711 odd even pages. So the earlier the setting are applied to whole section, but the so even and odd pages are same. But if you want to set this difference between even and odd page, sometimes it does depend on when you read a book. The left part, if that is the odd, the even page. The right part is old pages. You want to have some settings like it's in the left page. You want to set the title of your book. Right part you want to keep that blank. So, or maybe is you want to put is the chapter name. So that is the way we want to use this setting. And this setting is just like old and even page header footer. So the property. So let's try to make this test. So from docs import document, and then directly we only need this docs. So document, and we will save 7, 8, 8, 11, 8. So run. We should have our file coming. Perfect. Then doc settings old and even pages header footer. We just put that as true. So by default, I think it's mentioned is by default is false. So if you don't set, they will keep same. So just to ensure you read this setting. So set is true. So we have the different setting for odd and even page. Now let's create our content. So doc section. So this is our default section. Section header paragraphs dot text is the 基础页 So old, let's see. So old pages header and the section footer paragraphs text is old pages footer. And even we will put that as the even page header. So we don't have that section even page header. So we will print type even page header. So let's have a print. So section doc sections. So here you should have the S. So this even page header, the type is underscore header. So just the header. So let's have the even page footer. We'll put this print. This will be the footer. So here underscore footer. So we got this, and then let's set this even page header paragraphs 0 text equal to even pages header and even page footer graphs 0 text even pages footer. So we should not have this as. Then now we have our header and the footer set, and we can keep add. So for I in range, maybe I put this, I add 10 page. So doc add page break. So let's put this, and I use the 7 header. So not this one, the number 3. So we use this one link sections for section in doc. So we try to use this one. And we load this from docs share input cf as create. So then we just have some the smaller page so that we can easily see. So old, even. So old, even. So we have multiple page, and now you can see clearly it's the old page, even page. They are different. This one is the tactic. So section in doc sections, you made this height. The sections page height, the property. So you can make that smaller. That is the old and the even page, the difference setting. Then the last is, let's see, the first page difference. So 7, 11, 9, the first page diff py. Sometimes it's the first page is our cover page, so we also want them is difference. So let's also type this to try to memorize those key text. So doc equal to document, and then doc save to 7.11.9.docx. So we have our file. So as usual, let's see our file generated. Then we can start to add section. Is doc sections 0. We use this one, and the sections use this different property, different first page, header, footer. Make that true. By default, it should be false, so there's no difference for that. Then section, the first page header dot paragraph 0 text. We can see here is the first page header. So we will have this footer, first page footer. Let's keep run without error, good. And then section header paragraphs. So now we just use the normal header, not the first page header. So text, normal header, and the section footer paragraphs, text, normal footer. And again, we copy this one. So for sections, we can put like here. So we just make the pages. So let's put this in the last, so that whenever we add more sections, so we will make this effective. So dot add page break. So we don't need to make too many, because we only want to see the first page difference. So let's run. Oh, CM. So this I need to load dimension. So shared. Code CM, and that's good. So we have our file, the last document. Oh, doc. So that is the issue. So doc. So okay. So this file we should delete, and we have this generate. Can say first page, normal page, and normal page. So that is quite interesting. So through this -8, -9, I hope is you can also check more settings that you can control for your Word document. So until now, we have finished our Microsoft Word. So if I narrow down this, we are now already here. Congratulations, you are moved almost half. So we have done the Excel, the Word, and the next step is we will go to the PowerPoint. So I may prepare this and make those videos and demo to you. PDF is not the part of the Office this suite by default, but Office now can also save as to the PDF, and we will use this PDF tool, the library, try to deal with some PDF as a document. So even this is not like our Microsoft Office, but our book is like Python Meet Office. So this Office is a generic Office. So once we finish the PowerPoint, we go to the PDF, and also there's some other advanced parts. I will also hope to take chance to introduce to you. So there's a sixth part talking about automations, sending email, web request, and make the scheduling job, and the GUI, and also packaging your program when you want to share with others. So after all, it really is the nice journey together with you until now. So I hope we can enjoy more in the following chapters. See you then. Bye for now.